Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to do another problem solving with you guys this morning. So I'm going to do the first one, and then I'm going to read the next problem for you guys to solve on your own. This problem says, Gabriel has 1/4, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much money does he have? So if I know he has 1/4 and a quarter is worth 25 cents, then I'm going to draw a quarter, and he has 3 dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. So I'm going to draw 3 dimes. So 1, 2, 3. He has 2 nickels, which are worth 5 cents. So there's 1 nickel. And here's my second nickel. And he has 4 pennies, which are worth 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've drawn all my coins and it's time to add them up. So I'm going to start at 25, plus 10 is 35, plus another 10 is 45, plus another 10 is 55. Then we'll go to our nickels. 55 plus 5 is 60, plus 5 more is 65, then 66, 67, 68, 69. So how much money does he have? Gabriel has 69 cents. Super simple. So I just want on this next problem for you guys to draw your coins just like I did. This problem says, Leslie has 2 quarters in her piggy bank. She has 1/4 and 2 nickels in her purse. How much money does she have in all? So I want to know how much money Leslie has in both her piggy bank and her purse. So you guys can do this on a separate sheet of paper, talk it through with someone at home with you, and good luck solving. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.